Have you ever wondered where to find specific research on a specific topic, or to ensure that all the information that you find is found only within journals that cover a specific area and no others? Do you want to find a specific type of resource like an ebook, full-text journals, statistical data, or court cases? Then you will want to know how to access and work with the A to Z database listing. What is the A to Z database listing? The EGCC Library is proud to be a member of the OhioLink Consortium, which joins together the libraries in the state of Ohio to have borrowing privileges with each other and to have buying power. Because of said buying power, we have access to the EBSCOhost databases. Databases are collections of information situated around a common theme, generally around a specific discipline. For example, things good for education are found in education databases, healthcare and healthcare databases, and so on. There are many databases that EGCC has access to that are under the EBSCOhost umbrella, so they all interface the same way. There are also other databases which are exclusively brought to you by the OhioLink Consortium. EGCC has also opted into several others that we believe would aid our students. To find them, we have grouped them together into an A to Z listing to act like an index of sorts. To locate this alphabetical listing, you will want to be on the college's library's main page, and underneath the Library Resources Gateway search box, there are a series of round icons. The first, a blue icon with an A to Z on it, is the one you need. Click that and you will be presented with an alphabetical listing of all the databases that EGCC has access to. Now you can just scroll through all 200 databases to find the one most germane to your needs, which, granted, doesn't take long at all. But there are easy ways to find the database that would help suit you the most. If you know the name of the exact database you need, you can click on the alphabet letter that starts the name of the database. For example, for Gale in Context Opposing Viewpoints, you will want to click on the letter G. And you will see that Gale in Context Opposing Viewpoints pops up. However, you can also type Gale in Context in the title keyword box and click Search. And that pops up as well. However, if you aren't sure as to the exact name of the database or what exactly you need, you can always type a keyword of the discipline you would like, for example, sociology, and it will produce a listing of databases appropriate for sociological research. Let's try that and clear our filters first. In the keyword area, type sociology and click search. And it will come up with 19 databases found for sociology, 2 of which are SocIndex and Sociological Collection. Likewise, clicking subjects, you can scroll along a list of appropriate subjects like sociology, select it, and will produce a similar list. Let's click filter. Let's clear the filters and click that. Scroll down near the bottom of the list and find sociology. Click that and search. It will produce 15 databases found for sociological research. If you want to have a certain type of resource, however, so you can make sure you have a database that will have full text articles or ones that will display lots of statistical information, you can further filter by types. So let's clear the filters and click types, and you will see the different types of databases we have. You want full text articles? Let's click that, hit search, and it will come up with 127 databases found for full text articles. Once you find the database that will suit, click on the database title and it will come up with a landing place to give further information on whether the database is going to provide you with the results you need. Let's try Academic Search Complete for this. If it does, click the big blue Access Database button, which will lead you to the search page for that database. From there, you can perform your research. Here's the Access Database button. If it doesn't, merely navigate backwards and reset the search. Thank you so much for listening to this. Have a good day.